Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. Well, good afternoon. So today, this we are here with a special report. Today is Saturday, and we are having a major crisis. So as you can see here, we had to close the eastbound lanes of the bridge and St. Simon's Road due to the fact that bricks have tumbled down and the bridge is due to be unsafe. As you can see, the bridge is about to collapse. Pieces of the bridge old, worn, and dilapidated. So, this bridge is about a year old, relatively new, but underneath the beam structures are worn and has sinking into the water. And from my understanding, there is actually a 6-foot deep pit underneath the bridge. So if the bridge collapses with anybody on it, there is actually a 6-foot deep drop into that pit, which can cause serious injuries. St. Simon's Road is also closed, so therefore anybody wanting to actually go that direction will actually now have to detour and turn back around and go the other way, because these bricks of this planter is slowly crumbling. This tree is dead, and replacement orders as well as the replacement crew has not yet arrived. The entire emergency department is still on strike, as well as waiting for the administration department to determine the chief's sentence. Charges are going to be reduced so that the chief of the emergency department can receive 15 days off of his sentence with credit for time served. So, therefore, the only charge that he will face is display of an unholy flag within Bios Baptist Church. So, with that being said, there are many current events to keep up with at Bios Baptist Church. There's a new order in place signed to put up construction road signs around the facility. The road signs will be displayed sometime next week. Some include stop on red, stop here, and signage for blind intersections, as well as keep off the grass. Nobody knows if the signage for notice to the public will be replaced and if the emergency signs will be replaced as well. Construction work is expected to continue on the church, causing delays throughout the month of April. Bridge construction on the Travell M. Sinclair Bridge will cause many delays on Bios Road, shutting it down for the latter part of April and the early part of March. The Corporate Prayer Garden is closed due to vandalism and due to a leaning flagpole that is currently unstable. As of right now, views on the YouTube channel has plummeted from hundreds to none, as well as usage of the emergency department. So in an effort to get people to come back and to start to use the emergency department again, we are also encouraging people to make Bios Baptist Church your choice of spiritual health care, because God utilizes us for your healing. And in other news, crazed woman shoots up YouTube. Reason unknown. So, lessons will be taught at Bios Baptist Church on anger management and anger control, because this is most needed in life. We do not want this to continue to happen, because now look, the person who did this is dead and did not accomplish anything, and she most likely wound up in hell. .553 Bios Baptist News. Have a good day and may God bless you.